Hello, I'm Brenda Sanders Passmore and welcome to Health Bites. Today I'm going to be talking about laundry. What if I told you that I have an all-natural laundry soap that is better for your health, better for the environment, cleans amazingly well, and best of all is going to save you a ton of money? Because I'm a registered massage therapist, I'm a bit of a laundry expert. Many popular commercial laundry products available today contain chemicals and added perfumes that can cause skin irritations, breathing issues, allergic reactions, and even headaches. Before I had my allergies treated, I couldn't even walk down a laundry aisle in the grocery store without getting a headache. Unfortunately, even the unscented varieties commonly use chemicals to neutralize the scent, so they too can cause reactions. Because I tend to react to traditional laundry products, I have done a ton of research and have found that Nellie's is one of the most effective hypoallergenic laundry soaps available on the market today. Nellie's laundry soap is an all-natural washing soda. It's highly concentrated, so you only use about a tablespoon per load. This small package that I picked up at Winners only costs $7.99 and will do about 50 loads. If you want to save even more money, you can buy it in bulk from Costco. We were able to purchase online and have it delivered right to our door. We got an 8-kilogram tub for $59, and that, my friends, will wash 500 loads of laundry, literally pennies a load. Because this soap is made of organic compounds, it's better for your septic tank and better for your environment. This soap cleans exceptionally well and doesn't leave any kind of fragrance at all, making it ideal for scent-free offices. If you really want your clothes to smell nice without all of the chemicals, what I recommend is that you source out some essential oils. You can add them to the wash itself, or what I prefer to do is place a few drops on my laundry balls and then just throw it all in the dryer. I know the dryer isn't as eco-friendly as hanging the wash out to dry, but unfortunately clothes hung out on the line can collect pollen and such, which aggravates my allergies. I really believe that Nellie's hypoallergenic laundry soap is a great product. I don't sell it, nor do I represent them in any way. I'm just an eco-conscious health and wellness consumer who likes saving money when I can. So give it a try. It's better for your health, it's better for the environment, and it's better for your wallet too. Thanks for watching.